Hello my friends, today I have something kind of special for you that I've been working on. I call it the Assault Carbine. Um, it's essentially this relatively short due to the battery pack to power the lights. It's a bit heavier, but you can obviously remove that very quickly. Simple trigger, weirdly adjustable stock, which I don't know why I've made. Serves no practical purpose. My standard sights, 3 bands, and yes. So ammunition is pretty standard. You got your block ammunition, which is got quite a bit of kinetic energy, and then you have the bolt, which is your armor piercing. Now this is a lot longer and therefore a bit heavier than the previous one, so obviously it's got more weight to it. Loading is the same. Just pull this abomination back till the trigger clicks, then load it via the muzzle, and fire. And just like that, we completely dented a foil, I don't know what you call it, pie thing. Essentially, yeah. So this is pretty cool. I had to destroy a couple of things to make it, obviously, and yeah. So hope you enjoyed the video, my friends, and just take care.